Welcome, traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the Trendline Price Alert Indicator for MT4. The Trendline Price Alert Indicator is a custom trading tool designed to notify you whenever the price touches a specific horizontal or trend line on your chart. The core feature of this indicator is its ability to draw adjustable horizontal lines above and below the current price. You can drag these lines to your desired price levels, and the indicator will alert you whenever the price touches one of these lines. The indicator sends alerts via email, so you can stay updated on market movements even when you're away from your trading terminal. The Trendline Price Alert Indicator comes with several customizable settings to suit your trading preferences. Upper color. Set the color of the upper horizontal line. Lower color. Set the color of the lower horizontal line. Line width. Adjust the width of the horizontal lines. Draw trend line. Enable or disable the drawing of trend lines for alerts. Send email. Enable or disable email alerts. Single alert mode. Choose between single or multiple alert notifications. Tidy. On exit. Decide whether the indicator's lines should be cleared when you exit. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.